So you ever buy a car and have a bunch of plastic on it that's all sorts of faded and ugly and gross? Well, let me show you. Pretty much all the plastic on our cheap Jeep here is pretty rough shape. You can see it's gross. It's pretty tore up. I'll show you. I did a few little tricks on the front. And I got it looking like it's almost a brand new fender. First thing you're gonna need, torch. You heat that up, you just rub the torch back and forth over it, and it starts to actually melt off that layer of oxidation from the plastic. And then I follow that up with a little bit of ATF. And the ATF kind of soaks back into that plastic and brings out some shine. And you just kind of slowly go over the fender. Can't really stay in one spot for too long. You kind of keep it a couple inches away. You'll see it change like right before your eyes. It's wild. I didn't even wash these. I just am going right over the dirt. And then once you feel like you got it looking halfway black again, then I come back here, grab a paper towel, one-handed. You don't even need all that much ATF. Put like 3 little drops on there, you know? Look at that, boom, done. That's too much almost. Blot that in a little bit, and then right to the fender. Done. Easy. Simple project. It's great. You're done. You do your door handles. Do your gas door. Do everything.
Editing Becca here to say probably don't do your gas door.
What do you got to lose? It's all looks like junk anyways. You might as well do it. So just like that, 3 easy steps. And you too can be a scumbag marketplace car seller.